Hey my beautiful people, so I just finished creating this look, the Morphe the Lisafrank eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to open it up so you guys can see what it looks like. I know you guys seen it online. I'm pretty sure different people have done different looks, but you can't go wrong. Look at the shades, oh my goodness, and it's super pigmented. I didn't have no fallout when I created this look, so I definitely enjoy it and love it. Can't believe, oh my god, how good it looks. Oh my goodness, I'm just excited. Okay, so I got that. I did the shadows and I was gonna record it, but unfortunately I didn't have time. But I also got the eyeshadow brushes. You can't go wrong. I just took off the tag, boom. But I did not use the brushes because I didn't want to use them yet, because I don't know if I want to use them or just have them as decor, because I like these. I don't know, most likely I probably will use them. But these are the brushes right here. So you have a bunch of good brushes right here, and I'm gonna see the quality on these. I'll be honest, I only tried out there one Morphe brush, but this will be actually a full set of Morphe brushes with the collab that I will be actually trying. And I love their color coordinated, love just the look of it. I just love it. You just can't go wrong. Love it, love it. And I also got the sponges that look like this. I have not used it yet at all. And now I did give my daughter one of these as well. I'll be honest, when I compared it to my beauty blender, I'm gonna be honest with you, I just feel like it's a little bit harder compared to my beauty blender. I kind of like a beauty blender is a little bit softer in texture. So we will see how this performs later. I will try to do another look with using the products or at least swatching it for you guys. But I wanted to share this look I created to you like today because I was so excited. I was like, your girl is gonna do one. I'm just waiting for my hair to dry out because I'm a blow dryer, do the whole works. But do I recommend this palette? Definitely. If you are a fan, you know, just from back in the day in the 90s, go ahead, grab this palette. If you're a person who's missing colors, highly recommend snatch this one out if you can. I love it, I love it, I love it. So, all right, my beautiful people, I will talk to you guys soon, and I hope you guys enjoy this look. Thank you.